morning, here we are, Sean and Mel, GWS. Right, this is where we left off a few days ago. We're just going to do some more now. Mel's using the DR push trimmer. I'm going to be using the Stihl FS561. And I'm putting my chainsaw gauntlets on. I've got chainsaw boots on, and I'm also going to be wearing chainsaw gloves, a face mask, and the chainsaw helmet. The Stihl FS561. As we get further down the dike, it's really high. It hasn't been cut for years. So this is the Stihl. Got the threader blade on. I'll just give it a quick sharpen as well. And the other trimmer I'll be using on the grass is a long flight, powered actually 43 cc, and it's got the 4mm cord on it. I think it's the thickest cord you can get. So we'll do some videoing, and you'll be able to see how we get on with it. I'm just going to go back to the trimmer now, FS561. Some more thick area to cut now. Get these gloves on, quite hard. These are a lot bigger gloves than what I would wear normally, but so difficult to get on. We're onto the dike now. This section here, as you can